Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add slider in your divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website. Let's enable divi viewer builder. Here you can see divi builder is loading. After that, now we can add a new section for our slider. Just click here plus icons, and here we can select from the full width as well as we can select from the regular. Just click here regular, and after that here we can select one column row. Now search for slider. So this is divi slider module. Then here you can see how it looks by default. And after that, if you want to add background image, just you can go in the setting and then scroll down. Here you can add the image for your slider. So let me add this image for the slider. So this image is on the slider, but if you want to add background image, how you can do that? Just we can remove this image. Now scroll down and click here background. Here you can see these are various options for the background. You can add background color, background gradient, that means multicolors, and after that background image, background video, pattern as well as mask. So at this moment I want to add background image. Scroll down and here we can find image, then upload. So we have added one image for our slider, and after that scroll up. In the same way you can add more images as a background. Let me add background for the second image. Scroll down and add background image. So if you want to upload image file from your laptop, just you can go here and after that select the image. Alright, we have added two background images for our slider. If you want to add more slides, just you can click and add new slide. So now if you want to add overlay color on your background image, how you can do that? Just go to design tab and after that use background overlay. Then here we can add color. After that here you can see we can decrease its opacity so that image will look good. So now we can see the text in the clear form. Now if you want to increase slider width, how you can do that? Just go to row settings and after that design tab, then sizing, then increase the width 100%, but here you can see there is no effect when increased width to 100%. So now increase max width to 100%. Now it's working fine. And after that here you can see height options. And then this is the spacing. Then here you can add the border as well as box shadow. Then here you can add animations to your slider. And after that, if you want to move this slider on the top, just you can click on three dots and after that click here. Then here you can drag it on the top. So let's go back to the desktop mode. And after that, if you want to remove this spacing from the top, just you can go in the section setting, then design, then spacing. So just remove padding. And after that Here you can see there is still some spacing. Just go to row settings, then go to design tab and remove spacing. Just add padding value 0, and after that click here, save. And if you want to change this title and text, how you can do that? Just go on the settings, then here you can add, for example, and after that here you can change the button text. Then here you can add a link for your button. Just click here on the link, and here you can add call to action button link, then save. And after that, let's reload. Here you can see slider is added in our divi website.